problem of two blocks attached to a spring. A light spring of spring constant K and natural length L0 attached in a compressed condition between two blocks of masses M1 and M2 is placed on a smooth horizontal surface. The spring is initially compressed by a distance x0. When the system is released, the blocks acquires velocities in opposite directions. Let us assume that the velocities of block M1 and M2 are V1 and V2 respectively at natural length of the spring. Since there is no external force acting on this system in horizontal direction, therefore, the linear momentum of the system is conserved. Initial momentum is zero because both the blocks are at rest. And final momentum is equal to M2 V2 minus M1 V1. Here, negative sign signifies that both the blocks are moving in opposite direction. Then, from conservation of momentum, we get 0 equal to M2 V2 minus M1 V1 or M2 V2 equal to M1 V1. Let's call this equation 1. From the principle of conservation of energy, we have initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy is equal to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. 0 plus half kx naught square is equal to half mv v1 square plus half m2 v2 square plus 0. Let's call this equation 2. In the initial condition, there is no external force on the system and both the blocks are stationary. Therefore, center of mass of the system is at rest. So we can write m1 x1 equal to m2 x2. Let's call this equation 3. Also, looking at the figure, we can say that L0 minus x0 plus x1 plus x2 is equal to L0. This implies x0 equal to x1 plus x2. Let's call this equation 4. Due to inertia, both the blocks move further away from the position of the natural length of the spring. Maximum extension will occur when both the blocks come to rest. Let us assume that x1' and x2' are the extensions of the spring from the initial position due to block M1 and M2 respectively from their natural lengths. So, at maximum extension, velocity v1 will be equal to v2 equal to 0. As velocity is 0, therefore center of mass is at rest, hence we can write m1 x1' equal to m2 x2'. And from the figure in this condition, we can conclude x1' plus x2' plus L0 minus x0 is equal to L0 plus x0. On solving, we get x1' plus x2' equal to 2x0. Let's call this equation 5. While solving problem on spring block system, we need to derive all these 5 equations.
Please like, share and comment on the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and educational videos to earn while you learn. Download Extraclass app from Google Play Store and get rewarded for studying.